Parks, my final frontier. These are the voyages of the Central Caster, our 5-year mission to explore strange new parks, to seek out new fish and new situations, to boldly yak where no chef has yacked before.
In this video, we'll look at how I've been catching creek chubs for bait, and then tried 3 different presentations for Hoover Reservoir blue cats to see which one works best. Show you how I'm getting these chubs. It's just a little spot my wife and I discovered hiking this trail. It's a very, very small creek. Anyway, there's an old bridge down here, and on that old bridge there's a little hole. It looks like about 4 or 5 foot deep. And I came here a couple days ago and just loaded up on some little creek chubs, and I'm hoping that's what I'll do again this evening. And then we'll take them out tomorrow and see what we can get into. Here we are as we approach the old bridge. I don't know about the history of this park, but I've been out here a couple times looking for mushrooms. Haven't found anything. Don't anticipate I'll find anything the rest of the year. So there's the creek. That's a pretty little creek. I'm going to walk down there and fill up my bucket. And then over here is where we'll be getting our creek chubs. I don't know how well that's going to come up. It's pretty low light right now, but there's a hole down there at the base of that bridge, and we'll hopefully catch some down there. Alright. So we got our bucket with some water in it. Use a red worm on a really light jig head. I'd say it's a, I don't know, 1/64 ounce jig head. So I can get that in frame, show you what I'm doing. It's a little red worm. Hook it a bunch of times. 2 days ago, it was every cast. It didn't take long to fill out. Number 1. Keep track of how many I got here. I think this is 3. Yeah, that's 3. Almost time to put a new juice up the worm a little bit. The other day when I had the bigger worm on, that's when the bigger fish hit. Like they were more selective somehow. Like, oh, that's worthy. I'll try to eat that. Whatever. Oh my goodness. So what I say is 4. That's 4. Okay. Well, got bluegill, but I don't think I'm going to keep him. I don't think you can mix these very well in the bucket, but cute little fella. You're lucky. It's your lucky day. Oh, come on, don't let the tree get you. A little bit bigger one there. Okay, so we're out here on Hoover Reservoir this morning, and we're going to try for some catfish. I've got some awesome creek chubs, but I'm being greedy, and I want to get some crappie as well. So I've got a couple little blade baits. I'm going to head out to a little sunken island kind of thing out, right not too far from the boat dock. So I'm going to cruise out there and troll around for see if there's any crappie out there.
I'm showing a lot of fish out here, right where I'm at now, in about 22 foot of water, which I would think would be crappie. I may come back and troll this spot. I should be trolling right now, it looks like. Anyway, I'm going to get to fishing, and we'll see if we can catch some crappie, and then we're going to go get some big blue cats. I got some creek chubs, and maybe we'll be using some crappies as well. So see you soon. So the sun's trying to come out here on Hoover Reservoir. The crappie fishing was a bust. I didn't really give it more than actually just a couple minutes, but I'm too excited to go try these chubs out to really pay much attention to the crappie right now. I'm sure we'll have plenty of opportunity to catch more. I'm going to basically head north from the boat launch. I'm going to try to find about 20 foot of water before I start fishing. I'd like to actually get to about 16 foot of water. I've been marking a lot of fish at about that depth. It's just basically like a big basin out here. It's about 22, 23 feet deep, big mud flat, big mud basin. The fish could be anywhere out here. Looks like they're kind of spread out everywhere, as you can see my fish finder there showing what the fish are looking like. But we're cruising around right now. We're going to head up where we're going to go and get set up with some Carolina rigs with some creek chubs on 2 catfish poles, and then on a lighter rod I'm going to use just free line, some small creek chubs. I'm going to use a number 1 circle hook, and hopefully that won't be too heavy for them. Most of them are pretty small. I've got a couple decent sized creek chubs, but the place I went to yesterday was bountiful, but just no size to them, which is fine. We'll see how that goes. I'm thinking maybe we'll get it up with a saw guy. Some of these really smaller ones might entice crappie as well. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully the gar don't eat them up. There's a lot of gar out here now, more so than there ever used to be. But hopefully we won't see any of those. Or if we do, we keep them hooked and we don't lose any of our tackle. Anyway, we got about another 10-minute trip here, and then we'll start fishing. Came to a little protected cove, or protective area here, not a cove, really in front of a cove. But let's try here. I don't really have any reason to think there should be fish here, but I'm going to try anyway. I was afraid that was going to happen. There's a big tangled mess here. I tried to save these creek chubs in the bucket. Looks like they've swum around each other about 1,000 times. But that's fine. I'll undo them. I was reading something online about not using circle hooks for creek chubs, but that was a walleye fisherman saying he missed a lot of hookups. But I definitely missed a hookup earlier. Felt like a nice fish. Definitely put a nice bend in the pole. So about 12 foot of water here. We'll just kind of see what happens. Alright. This guy. So one of the creek chubs was dead, so I decided not to use it. Rebait, but this one here with a free line is still pretty lively, as was the biggest of my baits, so that's encouraging. So you got him swimming around out here on the left. I'm going to put a free live line bait, I think just between my legs probably when I get to it. And then grab my catfish rod. What's going on there? Okay, I am drifting, so that's part of that deal. Okay, I think I'll go ahead and put the anchor down. I'm only in 10 foot of water, which I'm not liking that. So we'll go very short anchor. Okay. course, I got the dead one. He's easy to catch. Come on, don't you do that to me. Yeah, I think these hooks I'm using are maybe too small. Okay. Another nice lively one here. How am I going to distribute this guy? I think I have to throw him out front, I guess. There's only 10 foot of water up in here, so I really don't usually fish this shallow. But we shall see. Okay, we're fishing again at the mouth of this cove. So, yeah, you never know. Oh, there's one. Fish on. Oh, he came off. I'm hating these circle hooks. Hating the circle hooks. That was a good takedown, man. Alright. I gotta fix that. Alright. Actually, wow, he broke me off. Broke me off. Damn, okay. So I can't blame the hook, right? Blame the knot, I guess. Damn. Okay, well, I guess we can stay right here. Oh, there's no takedown. Okay. There we go. Now he's on, so let's keep him on. Doesn't feel like a monster, but he's a fish. Doesn't feel too bad, really. A little blue. Nothing special. I might be able to save that bait if he's nice. Come here, you. You gotta open your mouth, fool. Oh, I see. He's looking lassoed. I should just be able to yank him up in here. Alright. It's a fish. Not a monster. Saying hello to everybody. Alright, you come here. Oh, easy, fella. He's not lassoed anymore. I think he just realized he could kick around a little bit. You're silly, fella. You're still lassoed, so just chill out, man. Wow, what the heck is going on here with you? You're hooked one side, lassoed around your face about 20 times. Goodness gracious, look at you. You're just a mess. But thank you very much for participating. Okay, so we just found our next sheltered spot. Oh, there's a takedown right there. Is he on? Nope. He's on. Damn it. Ah, these hooks are messing up. Oh, there's a takedown. There's on. There's that one on there. Doesn't feel like much. He might be bigger than I thought. Not a very big one. Interesting. If I can get you, buddy, I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna have to cut you off here and let you loose. Hope for the best. Oh, you got some strong jaws on you. Alright. I mean, he's no beast, but yeah. You put a pull in your rod. Thank you, buddy. Those chubs are the bait, man. I need to figure out if dragging these chubs will work. I didn't think they were big enough to try, but I think they are. Okay, we're going to rig up for dragon. Okay. And the wind kicks up. But that's alright. We'll be dragging. Control it. I may end up just drifting across it. Okay. Please say you remembered the dragging weights. There's one. Made these myself. Just some shrink tubing, sinker, foam up here, shrink it up onto a nice size swivel. Not too much invested in that. Okay. Yeah. So a little bit bigger hook. Snelled. 4 or 5 on it. Okay, here's one ready to go. Oh, there's one take down there. Let's see that level. Feels like a decent one. Turn off that irritating thing. Maybe. Come on, man. Let's get a good look at him here. Feels nice enough. Oh, what's going on here? Is he stuck on another line? Is he rolling real bad? What's happening here, bud? Something doesn't feel right. Well, he's alright. Decent size. I'm gonna try to take him around the other side. Oh, what about that? I think this is better to get him right here. Alright, buddy. Alright. Very nice. Come here, fella. Come here, fella. You don't cooperate, as I'll let you go nice and easy. What's going on there? Oh, okay. Nice fight. Alright, fella, I'm gonna let you go. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I had a pretty good day on Hoover today. I caught, I don't even remember how many I caught. 4 catfish, I believe. I had a lot of hits. Creek chubs were a success. I caught some on a Carolina rig. At least the biggest one of the day on dragging, so that works both ways. I'm pretty pleased with the whole day. Got my first subscriber from Bank, or Franklin the Bank, so appreciate that, and I'll see you next time.